Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paris. If you're new here, welcome. So I am back again guys with another video, and on this video I'm gonna share with you guys a knotless, a curly knotless box braids hairstyle. I don't even know why I'm panting guys, but basically we're gonna do this amazing hairstyle. I feel like at this point knotless are just my thing. I feel like the braids are really very light on the scalp. You can style them immediately you're done braiding your hair, and I feel like that's really amazing. Again guys, as usual, I always start on clean moisturized hair, and I always make sure to pre-part my hair because it just makes everything easier, especially given that I'm filming. Another thing is I always part my box braids, like I section them out. As you guys can see, I'm just picking the small sections from the side. Again, it makes everything so much easier for me. For example, this hairstyle took me just 4 hours, and you guys can imagine I am filming, so I feel like I could have actually taken less time, which is again amazing because no one wants to sit for hours and hours doing their own hair. But basically I went with this color. It was 1900, and then there were 2 pink braids. I forgot the color, but no, the number, but they were pink, so I mixed them, and then hence we have this color. You're gonna see it as we progress with the video. So like I said before guys, pre-parting my hair just makes everything easier. I know it looks raggedy, but those are parts, only that I didn't now part like the smaller sections. Another thing you have to keep in mind guys is, again, like I said, make sure you start on clean hair, especially if you're planning to keep the hairstyle in for a long time. At least it's gonna even make your hairstyle last a bit longer if your hair is clean. So as you guys can see there, I'm showing you how the hair basically turned out, and just basically me braiding. I feel like I'm gonna let you guys watch a bit, and then I'm gonna come back right at the end and we end the video. So I really hope you guys love my tutorials. If there is anything you'd like me to clarify on, let me know in the comment section down below. And guys, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, this is the time. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. And I'm gonna come back at the end of the video. I'm gonna come back at the end of the video and we're gonna finish up. So guys, enjoy the video, and again, don't forget to subscribe. So guys, the reason why I'm doing this big plait is because I'm doing knotless curly braids, and for that hairstyle to basically come out, I have to make this big plait, and then I'm gonna put this hair into hot water so that the curls can form. And because I really wanted to make sure that at least the curls pop a bit, That's why before I even finished like the entire hair, I had to like do these plaits for the different sections of the hair that I had already braided. And you guys are gonna see how the curls are gonna turn out. I didn't film the hot water part, but basically once you've plaited your hair like this, you just put it in hot water. Make sure to be careful so that you don't burn yourself. The water obviously has to be extremely hot so that the curls can form, and then once you're done, let the hair dry and then pull out your curls. I'm gonna come back again to show you guys. So guys, as you can see, we are already done with our hairstyle, and I have my big plaits. By this time guys, I had already put my hair in hot water, and then I went to sleep. And then this is like around, I want to say 10 in the morning, 10 a.m. So my hair was already dry, and then I'm just gonna unravel my plaits. As you can see guys, we have some curls going. They weren't really the way I wanted them to come out. I really wanted them to be like really firm and very curly hair, but guys, I feel like it came out pretty good, because again, it's not like I left it long for so long. So yeah, there we have our curls guys, and I'm really loving the color. I'm really loving how the curls are coming out. I also love the parting. Again, actually my goal is to really perfect my parting, because I feel like I'm still slacking. It's not the best, but yeah, we're gonna get there. So you're just gonna unravel your big plaits, and then I'm gonna show you guys the next step that I did. So once we were done unraveling our plaits, I went in with my mousse, and I feel like this just helps to lay down the hair, especially at the front, because yeah, I have 4C hair and it can tend to be a bit all over the place. And just to tame it a bit, I use the mousse, and then I went in with my hairspray. This just makes the hair more shiny. I wouldn't say it really adds anything, but it just makes your hair smell nice and then adds a bit of shine, guys. And that's the entire hairstyle. Honestly, I loved it. I also loved the color. I really hope you guys love it too. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. And until next time, you guys, bye.